Hi, I'm Sibongile Mafu and we are in Karen Dudley's kitchen. This is Karen Dudley.
Welcome to my happy place, right here in my kitchen.
We are about to enter Veganuray. So you're going to have the pleasure of opening this mystery box, and from its contents, something beautiful.
Something beautiful,
emerge.
Going for the jugular.
We're going
with
for the
big fry burger. Some sweet potatoes.
Yes. Vegan cheddar.
Now, guys, I have to tell you, I've never really done a vegan burger before. Have you had
I feel
one?
as though you are incapable of making mistakes in the kitchen.
No, I'm kind. We're gonna wing it, and we're gonna play. The buns are quite important because they are the containers.
Yes,
They are the devices with which to eat
the house.
burger.
Yes. I'm sorry, I'm busy.
No, I know.
Toasting my
You've
buns.
got stuff to do. You're cooking. We have a future.
Yes.
Need to be shy.
Is it a storm?
Yes. Even a little yes.
It's a storm.
Yes.
Okay. And then do I? I basted that.
You did.
I did that.
And I'm going to do a bit of green business on the bottom. So a pesto, a dressing. I think that adds a lovely freshness. A bit of this mayo on the other side. Do you want to put one or two of those pickles on there?
Of course.
Yes, a lot of crunch.
Yes.
Not shy. So now what I want you to do now, I've got to gently push down so that all the flavors become acquainted with each other.
We've got one down.
One down. Okay, the tahini and the tomato are great friends. I think this one should be a slowy one. And please do your magic.
I can do the thing. Okay.
Oh, we did it the wrong way around.
We did it the wrong way around. There we go.
There we go.
We got there eventually.
So now, kimchi, I know it looks odd.
Yes.
But it has crunch, it has spice. So that's the other thing, people like spicy things.
And it's so good for you.
So I'm going to do this. And now, think of how this dressing is soaking into the roll. Do you think it's almost time for us to eat now?
Yes, but...
Oh, the fries!
Our wedges.
Our wedges, our wedges, our wedges! How's that?
That is perfection.
Okay, now, shall we sit over there and eat them?
Can we?
Yeah.
We've worked hard enough.
We've
We
worked hard
deserve
enough.
this. So I eat with my eyes first, and my eyes are telling me yes.
Yes.
No, that's good. So if my Veganuary can look like this, I feel as though I'm going to be A-okay.
You see, it's meeting a certain need.
It really is. Do you need a moment?
The bird patty's good.
It's really good. It really, really is good.
Gives you a bit of a grill sensation.
Yeah.
Which is good.
So there you have it. That was a very successful mission, and you too could do what we just did in the comfort of your own home and make this Veganuary a fries Veganuary.
A fries Veganuary!
Yes!
So worthy and
so
satisfying.
So good. Bon appetit!
Bon appetit!